leadership man when it becomes she candidate when it comes to our party.
Excellency.
You're welcome.
Excellency. Good evening, sir.
Youngest.
The situation in Benue State as their security has become a national issue.
First, to show solidarity to our colleague, the governor of Benue State, and condole him for that unfortunate incident. And also encourage Mr. President in his effort to address this situation in Benue State, which continues to repeat itself. And we are satisfied with the position of Mr. President on his planned action to stop further killings and violence, not only in Benue State, but almost in every part of the country. And arising from that, we just rose from a meeting where we also discussed the state of the nation and the need for the subnational governments to take security up to the rural communities, to give the ownership of manning the communities and all the entire country to our citizens, citizenship protection. And we were in agreement that henceforth we must do everything, whatever it will take, to protect lives and property in Nigeria, which is the primary essence of government. And we commend Mr. President for all the strides and achievements he has recorded within this short time he assumed office. And we are satisfied that by the way he is going, in the very nearest future, that Nigeria will come out from the woods and prosperity will become the order of the day. So we encourage all of us Nigerians and condone the families of those involved in the unfortunate incidents in Benue State and other parts of the country. And we are assuring our people who voted us to power that we have buckled up and we have embraced up and everything that we require to support our security agencies to ensure that every space, both the governed and the ungoverned, is adequately protected, will be done by the progressive government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
One more thing, sir. As of proposals that will be put forward by the past, because the president made a statement that was quite significant today, which is the fact that human lives are more important than cats. Specific, which is related to what some states have already done, such as making the ban of open grazing a national legal framework.
If we listen well to Mr. President, he even recommended that he is willing to support Benue State to establish a ranch. I think what that goes to show is that to encourage harmonious relationship between herders and farmers, so there will be a win-win situation. It is not meant to impute any motive ulterior that will not encourage the unity of this country. We appreciate and commended the president for his speech and the position he has taken. And the governor in his speech also recommended state police. And there is no difference between state police and community policing. So it is decentralizing security. And we just came back today. There will be a technical committee that will look at all the issues and put together a working paper that will guide the governors going forward.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
the third meeting of the Nigerian Governors Forum held today, Wednesday, 18th June 2025. We members of the Nigerian Governors Forum, NGF, at our meeting held today, deliberated on issues affecting the country. One, the forum received a briefing from the National Security Advisor, the NSA, and it was accompanied by the Honorable Ministers of Defense, Agriculture, Livestock Development, and Transportation on the rising cost of food and livestock transportation across the country. The presentation revealed that the proliferation of checkpoints, illegal taxation, and poor infrastructure are key contributors to price inflation and inefficiencies in the food supply chain. The NSA noted that a high-level interministerial committee has been established to address these concerns and has submitted its recommendation for the endorsement of the forum. Governors thereafter acknowledged the urgency of this matter and expressed commitment to collaborate with the federal authorities to streamline the levies, to dismantle unauthorized checkpoints, and to improve the movement of goods, especially food items, across the states. Number two, the forum also received a presentation from the World Bank on the Nigerian Community Action Recovery and Economic Stimulus, which is called the NG Cares program. The bank highlighted that the states have made significant investment totaling over $2.2 billion through the NG Cares delivery platforms, with verifiable impacts reaching over 17 million direct beneficiaries. Governors thereafter expressed concern over the non-fulfillment of funding pledges by the bank under the NG Cares 1.0. The forum emphasized the need for an amicable resolution between the World Bank and participating states to conclude the first phase of this program before advancing to NG Cares 2.0, which is designed to build a long-term resilience for vulnerable households and enterprises. This is the outcome of our deliberation today. I'm reading it on behalf of our chairman, Excellency Abdurrahman Abdurazak, the governor of Kwara State. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Security amongst Nigerians, the major conversation is about state
We
police.
have done
What is the governor's position on state
Thank
police?
you.
Thank you.
It's to read.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
He has already started asking questions.
Good night, sir.
Thank you. Good
Yes, sir.
night.
No, thank you. I can think of going.